I wanted a workbench on wheels for a while. I so often find myself working on the floor in my garage, and that's because I remove a part from the car that needs work, so I continue on the floor. If I had a table I could simply drag with me to wherever I work, I think that would be perfecto. So in this video I'm making a workbench on wheels. So I started drawing a sketch and got to work. I wanted to frame in some 2x8s and decided to make a frame out of angle iron. I wanted one frame at the bottom, put the wood in, and then one frame at the top. As you can see, my angles ain't the best, but they will do. I have to keep reminding myself that this is a workbench and doesn't have to be perfect. So, first template's done, a bit short, so I'll add half a centimeter, but let's go.
Nice, fresh 2x8. Dirty gloves. Let's go.
So, as we'll find out shortly, counting is hard, at least if you have to count to 9, apparently.
So, back in the workshop, all the chopping done, woodwork, hopefully. Let's see if this puzzle adds up. Okie dokie. Dang it. But man, I have to say that looks really good.
And that everything adds up is nice. You can see the small gap wood we will be able to see in the sides.
So, it's been about a month since I last worked on this bench project. I guess life happened. Nothing special, but yeah, you know. Things take time. But the good news is now all the wood is really dry. That had been laying outside, so now it's at least as dry as it's gonna get. So, I have enough steel to build the feet. I don't know what to call this, feet. So that's what's going on next. I will grind all the edges so it's flat. I guess that's the plan. Just a bit more of this energy drink and a snack. Then we'll get going. Oh, they're holding on. Pretty nice. It's not heavy yet. That's good. I will add a shelf around here. That will make it much more sturdy, but oh yeah, this isn't level at all. My plan for the build at the moment is to attach some ratchet straps around all four, like so I can put in these beams and those. Ratchet strap so we can get the angles we want and then weld them. But that looks darn good to me. Okay, that is perfect there. Yeah. So to try to get the legs in lud, as we say, I've used this strap this way to jack the leg that way. And if we look now, I'm pretty happy with that. It does flex quite a bit, so I don't know if like this will bend if I... But I'll put it in the wood. Nice. That's fit. And I've made 4 of these pieces. So both for the aesthetics and also some structural integrity.
Finally, it's time for some wood treatment, and I chose to use some raw linseed oil to make that grain pop. It really soaks into the wood and protects it. So let's go. So I ended up with a total of 2 layers of linseed oil, both on the shelf and on the top.
Ended up with this. That leaves this gap. Yeah, and that doesn't look good since you can see down one piece like this. That will get an even ending at least. So just finishing up now, splitting this piece.
Finally, it's time for some paint. I need to paint the lower part of the frame and also the beams where the shelf goes, cause I can't access those later. I'm not too concerned about rust, cause it's going to be living most of its life inside, but it's nice to know it's protected. So I'm screwing all the boards from the underside, 1 screw per board, and I think that's more than enough since the top frame will be clamped down pretty good. I guess you could read between the lines on this video that I am in no way a woodworker, or a metal worker for that sake, but I really enjoy the process and I hope that gets through to you.
This. So. Now I need some more worktable oppi der. Begynne å holde English word oppi der.